I have a feeling we lost the plot of what we're supposed to be doing. Okay. Oh god, is this an endless amount of party rooms? I hope this isn't a puzzle. Oh, okay. So I can't go this way. It's like a maze type thing. That's my entrance. I go this way. I have to go straight here. I have to go this way. I have to go this way. I could go either way. Okay, I think I'm supposed to go that way. Oh, hey, buddy! Huh? Hey, you're bringing the party down. This is the part of the game where you run to your death. Okay, I'm leaving. Why did you close? Shit. This game's getting trippy. Oh, you're in here.
Oh, hey! Are you following me or something? Well, I don't blame you.
A party room of death. What about this way? Okay. Hi. I am the boss.
How can I leave this stupid event? My lame, scheduleless role. I can't afford another minute of joy.
You're better off focusing on other things in life. Partying, following the whistle, getting ready to be eaten. I mean, are you really going to miss your one chance to visit the bathroom, madam? And I die. Okay, that's great. I don't think I was supposed to do any of that. That whistle sound. Hungry. Anyways, I hate. Ooh. Never mind, we're just gonna. Anyways, I don't really know what's going on. I'm gonna assume you're telling me the way to go. Like, I genuinely don't. It's like, this has to be a puzzle that I'm not understanding. I don't. Hold up. I genuinely don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. You came out of that door, so we're gonna go this way. This one's the only one that's not. You came out of that door. The only one someone's not come out of. Fuck. Don't know what's going on! Oh! I figured something out. That was a complete accident, but I did it. Okay. What's happening? I feel like what's going on? Like genuinely what's happening? Okay. Oh. I'm more human-like.
Pardon me. My head hurts so much. Do you have any coffee? Any milk? Any bathroom? A giant bathroom. Ugh. It's not enough for this many bodies. I hate myself.
What was that? Felt too human. Oh no. Oh god. Fucking. Oh, what is happening? I'm back to myself. Have my arm back. Where am I? What is going on? This game is so trippy. What the hell? Do all of them do that? All of them disappear in some way from what it looks like. Okay, you're just gonna sink into the ground. I would like to bet this is supposed to be a puzzle of some kind. Maybe. I hope not, because I probably just completely messed it up. Okay. One of these has to have something underneath it. Oh! Oh, I figured it out! I just had to find the right house, I guess. This definitely feels like a dream. This entire game, and honestly, I mess with it. I mess with it. It's pretty cool. My condolences on reaching this. Whoever you are talking with now is what remains of the former genie of these lands. Forgiveness is only a gift you can never have.
Dear Genie, or to whoever it may concern, my job is to do everything possible to find the boss, for he is our target today. The smoke is in the way of our business and must be eradicated at...
The boss you were looking for. Are you familiar with his background, his family, his face? Even if you can't answer these questions, you seem to recognize very well who this entity is. Despite this confidence, you and me holding a conversation in this place says a lot about your inability to complete such a task. Could there have been hesitation in your actions? Unfortunately, there's not much else I can do for you right now. I choose to remind you that this place we are in is too far away from your real physical form. I can only keep you from returning to it. However, I may make an exception for today. Touch my memories. Let me show you a reality. One where you achieved your deepest desires. Remember, Ena, all it takes is a place and the right food. I mean, valid. Can the business bear the liability of obliterating the smoke machine? Oh my god! Oh! It no longer moves. Oh, door! Door! Where are we? Locker room of some kind. Phone call. Please tell me you are done with all that bathroom bull crap.
The issue with the bathroom has been resolved. Our business with the boss is our next priority. He will be down the drain in no time.
Down the what? That's not funny. I won't fall for that. Stop acting like a novice. You know your job. Let's focus on finishing it in one go. Don't you dare ever talk to me about bathrooms again.
Toilets are death traps.
Oh, I almost forgot. I don't know what you did, but it is really working. A lot of that nasty smoke has disappeared. Good job, Ena. You always make work easier. Although now that I think about it, we may have ended up in another one of those predicaments, Ena. Ah, damn it. This is a looping predicament.
Ah, predicaments, huh? I'm good at those.
You see, I heard the door you are at is about to close right now. That means you may get trapped in there, you know?
Well, it's time to be that one drop inside that ocean full of opportunities. Am I right?
Sure. I forgot you had your sales tricks. You're really good at those, aren't you? Now go. Do whatever you have to do and come back. You! I've never seen something like this before. This is the world. The one from before, just a dealer in real estate.
Why are those things around you?
I don't know. Let's leave the way we came in originally. Oh shoot. No, 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 no. What do I do? Oh no. Oh god, this can't be how the game ends. Oh, no! Did we die? Chapter 1, does that mean they're gonna... Don't think I didn't see that. What's happening? I'm about to record my outro, but... This started, and now I'm... Oh! We're back. We're back. Hey. Quit being so unprofessional. People will get the wrong idea. Reach the end of chapter 1. Well, thanks so much for watching, everybody. This game is definitely interesting, and if a chapter 2 ever comes out, I will definitely be playing it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see y'all next week!